To add a project to RiskKey, you simply need to click on an Add a Project link here over on the right hand side of your screen. Now if you've created projects in the past, this will be listed above them. As we see here, we have a list of prior projects. If you've never created a project, then it'll simply be the Add a Project link by itself. So we'll click on that, and that'll bring up our Create a New Project screen. The first thing you'll need to do is title it. For the demo's sake, we'll call this is a new project. The next option you have is to decide whether or not you want to create this from a saved template. So if there's a template you know out there that you want to use for this particular project, then you can simply click on the drop down list and you can select from already created private templates that you've created within your company, or you can select from a list of public templates created by the RiskKey community. In this case, we're not going to select either one, just want to show you that the option is there. The next option is to choose whether or not this is an assessment project only. So if this is going to be a risk assessment only, then you want to check this box. However, if it's going to be a risk assessment that drives a larger project, such as a full controls review or something of that nature, then you want to uncheck this box. For today's purposes, we'll simply leave this checked. The next option is to designate this as a template. So if this is going to be a project that you're going to use over and over, then you want to make sure that you select this checkbox. If it's only going to be a one-time project, then you probably just want to leave that unchecked. The next option is to decide whether or not you want the full text of messages that are sent in and out of RiskKey to appear in a user's inbox or underneath their email address. If you'd rather them have to log into RiskKey to view it, then leave this box unchecked. However, if you want them to receive the full text, go ahead and click this box. And the next option is to send email notifications of upcoming and overdue resolutions. So as deadlines come near, your users will automatically receive updates in their inbox saying, hey, go take a look at this particular resolution or this course of action that needs to be taken. The last two options is to select a project manager. This is kind of basically your administrator. This is going to have full administrative access rights to the project. And this is the options here to choose from are those that have already been added to RiskKey. And then the final option here is to associate this project. So if you have other companies that have been set up within RiskKey, such as a partner firm like a CPA or an external audit firm or something along those lines, then you can just go ahead and select that from this list. And we'll do that and click Save Project. That will bring us to our new project screen, and that'll do it.